Oh, yes.
This guy right here, man, he walked on that goddamn stage and he handled his business. I'm telling you, if you were not there, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Missed out.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I'm gonna put pity on you.
Look, this for all my boss babe. Go do your boss thing. Loving how you boss babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. This for all my boss babe. Go do your boss thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna go questions. Yeah, let's go questions.
Questions.
So, I don't really have a question, but I wanted to tell you, so I had just put in a bid on a dentist's office, and the week before that we had closed on a bid for regular office cleaning, and I'm thinking in my head, like, I don't know how I'm gonna cover the payroll on this. So I'm at home doing dishes, and I watch your video, and I'm like, that's it. So I wipe my hands off, I go over to send the lady an email, and I told her, you know, we'd love to do business with you. We can start you Monday, but we take payment by the first of the month on every month. And she was like, okay, fine.
Yeah.
I was like,
Turn the mic on.
yes. It's not on?
So basically, she said she asked someone for her money up front, and guess what? They gave it to her. Stood on business.
So I was shocked. I was like, okay, they went for it. So from there, I closed 2 more accounts after that, upfront billing, and they were more than happy to do it. And I tell you what, I have been less stressed about my payroll since then because I know that.
Absolutely.
It's the same thing Shirley said.
I'm not even sure how this is like a question, like how this is like an issue. Don't you want your money? It's not like you're about to, you wanted to go and just spend it immediately. You actually want to do a good job, but you want to have the money, right? Ask for it. These businesses have way more money than you, I promise. It's not going to hurt them. Them paying you up front will not put them out of business.
Thanks is not a question either, but I just wanted to piggyback off what you said because for years I chased checks. That's gas to the office, waste of time.
Oh, yes.
And you don't even know if it's on its way.
Yeah. You don't got a clue. He's like, when you get paid? Sometime in the next 30 days. I don't know.
To tell my clients that I want this payment up front. But what I chose to do that made it a little easier for me is I told them that I require first payment up front to cover labor. Because when you don't do that, you take some credit.
Yeah, you gave him free credit. You gave him a loan for free with no interest. You gave him a loan with no interest. I don't got that.
So from this day forward, no net 30s, right? No net 30s.
Change
No
that.
net 30s, that's right? All right.
See, that's gonna be it. No net 30s.
Any other questions?
Yes. Right here. All right, one of the questions I wanted to ask you, what do you think are some of the most efficient and just effective SEO practices? Because I feel like that's definitely an area that I need to improve on, but I don't know exactly where to start with that.
Where are you right now with SEO? Where are you right now? Nowhere?
It's all outreach.
Cool, awesome. So, first we're gonna pick keywords. Your potential clients have no clue how big your business is or what it looks like on the inside. What they know is what you present to them. So if you are just presenting that same typical estimate sheet or quote sheet, then you're not gonna stand out very much. If you want a more professional way to present your business, I created a template for proposals that you can download and customize and use it for yourself. And I guarantee you that you will have a lot more success. It'll show your potential customers that you actually care and you put some time into what you're presenting and how you're presenting your business. Download the proposal template. It's absolutely free. There's a link in the description labeled proposal template. Click that. It's of extreme value. Even if you don't use my template, at least you get to see how I'm doing proposals and be able to create one for yourself. And even doing that, I think is going to give you a much higher success rate. So download the proposal template in the link in the description. I specialize in coaching and consulting for new and aspiring commercial cleaning business owners just like you.
He helped me get this whole process started.
I talked to that man for less than 30 minutes, okay?
It was a great move for me to make. I ain't have a lot of money or nothing, but he gave me the steps I need to take to do it.
My goal is to equip you with the tools and the knowledge you need to thrive in this competitive industry.
And all I can say is that the value that was given to us in that 1 hour was well worth what we paid for, in my opinion.
DJ's consultation is 100% worth it.
I come up with a custom plan for you and your business.
The information he provided was invaluable, man.
He provided so much value.
We really love how this information was tailored to our specific needs.
Best practices, marketing strategies, and industry secrets, and anything else you need to get ahead.
We've noticed a big shift in our business.
I just closed 2 clients.
You're also going to save a lot of money by avoiding costly mistakes by learning from someone who's experienced and who's done exactly what you're trying to do.
I highly recommend DJ The Boss.
We definitely recommend a consultation with DJ The Boss to anybody with the cleanest service.
I definitely would recommend using DJ services.
I appreciate you, DJ The Boss.
Shout out to you, DJ The Boss.
Book a one-on-one session with me, and we can help get your business to the next level.